Welcome to the Caliper channel, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to construct a bar graph on Microsoft Excel. Now the first thing you have to do is open up your Microsoft Excel. After open the Excel, just open up any document. You can see in this document there are some datas. You can see in this document already some data are inserted. Here you can see at the first column student and the column B is numbers. Suppose student A, B, C, D, E and their exam numbers. Now if you want to make a bar graph of this data, at first you have to select your all the data and then click on insert tab, and here you can see charts option, and at the first you can find bar chart option, then just click here and that's it. Now here you can see four options: 2D column, 3D column, 2D bar and 3D bar, and you can choose any option as you want. Suppose if I select 2D column, and that's it. You can see the bar graph has been constructed successfully. Here you can see A, B, C, D, E student name, and there is the number. You can see 90, 95, 80, 75 and 85. Suppose if you want to customize any number, just select it. Suppose if I type 65 here and then select it again, and that's it. You can see the bar graph position has been changed successfully. If you want to customize your bar graph, just select it and then click on chart design, and that's it. From here you can customize anything as you like. And that is how you can construct a bar graph on Microsoft Excel. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.